Buying a business is likely to be one of the biggest investments of your life, and it makes sense to be careful and thoughtful about it. Many of us have been told we should never touch our retirement funds until retirement. And when considering whether or not to use those funds to start a business, the most helpful question might be, is it better to invest this money in yourself and your business or leave it in the market? Ultimately, that's the decision you'll need to make. Some fear potential risk with the IRS. The good news is, you can manage that risk by working with a competent 401k administrator that specializes in ROBs. At Guidant, this is our primary focus, making sure your paperwork is done right and standing behind our clients with audit protection. And then there's retirement security. What happens if you fail? One thing to consider is that failure doesn't always mean going to zero. In fact, I've had a couple of businesses that didn't succeed, but we were still able to sell them and recover some of our initial investment. I encourage you to play out the worst case scenario. If the business failed and none of the money went back to your retirement, what would you do? Would you get a job? Live on Social Security in your retirement? If you can get comfortable with the worst case scenario, you can refocus your efforts on the opportunity that could create the life you really want, instead of operating from a place of fear. And if the worst case scenario feels unbearable, then you have your answer. Our team is here to help. If you would like to learn more about whether or not ROBS is right for you, please visit our website at www.guidantfinancial.com. That's GUIDANT financial.com, or you can call us directly at 425-289-3200.